Morning! So I just woke up last night, got home kind of late, and I just wanted to hang out with Chris, and he had a friend over, so we were just chilling. But I'm about to work out, and then I will show you some really cool stuff that finally came in, much to Chris's demise, since we are trying to downsize before we just organize our apartment and stuff, just trying to figure stuff out. So I'll do that, work out, get ready for the day. This is my last shift of the week, so super pumped about that. Victoria's Secret, oh, peep the cow socks again, but they're my favorite. Just finished the workout, gonna go shower, and I'll check back in with you. Just finished my shower, which is good for everyone in the whole universe because your girl needed one. I got some super cool things I was super excited about in the mail last night after I got home, and I was exhausted. Nobody wanted to see all that when I was tired because I couldn't think. Not like I can think much more these days. But anyways, I'll show you them, so hold on. Now I'm trying to reduce garbage and stuff in my life and just love our earth a little more because we only got one. So I got some things that will help with that. I do understand they're expensive, so I get that, but my thought is I can buy $2 to $4 things every couple weeks or month, or buy a $10 thing that'll last, or $20 for the next year to couple years. So this addition to the collection is this Mad Hippie face cream. It's super small, but honestly you don't really need a lot. 2 pumps of it, and it was honestly too much, so a half pump would have done. I will update you as I use it, obviously, but it smells really good, it feels really good, and they partner with TerraCycle, which is where you just send the package back. So of course, to reduce carbon in the world, I would just do probably 3 or 4 at a time sending back. So that made me super happy about it. So love that they do that, love that they care about the environment, and everything in there is natural, there's no toxins. So one of these things I got I think a few weeks ago, but I never really updated. So I wanted to give an update on that, and then the new part of my skincare routine I've been using today. The People one, I think a week ago. I love it, it's cleared my skin up, but if you do have dry skin, I probably would go for the To People cleanser. It's totally cleared my skin up, even with masks. I love it. It does dry my skin out just a touch, but my skin's naturally combo to oily, so it works for me. If you do have dry skin, just be on the air side of caution on that. But most people I know use a moisturizer anyway, so it really doesn't make a difference because once the moisturizer comes on, it feels totally natural. So I honestly love it, and it comes in glass packaging, which is reducing plastic, so I love that. Did the first closing announcement, so I'm just waiting to get out of here. Hope y'all having a great night. Doing a reshop, and then we're heading out. So I got off work. My contact actually fell out in the middle of work, as we were closing, so I had to run to the bathroom and clean it really quick and put it back in. So I am home. I am about to go up to my apartment, and I will kind of have a little live chat with you when I get there.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit.
face currently looks like this. I actually think I'm gonna try both pads and show you the difference. So this one's the reusable one. This one's like the normal one I usually use. So, and I'm using this Lancome. Super expensive. No need to buy this, honestly. I wish I hadn't. So do this and just see the difference.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
It's just been a weird mindset type of week. I'm really excited to start school. It's just hard when you have all these aspirations and you're like afraid you're not gonna live up to them. But that's kind of what happens, is we have things we want to do, and it just gets harder as it progresses, whatever goal it is. But you can do it, and I think it's the point of a tribe. So I was even talking to this lady at work today about what I wanted to do. I was afraid of X, Y, and Z would get in the way, and she was just really supportive. So it just made me think, you know, we can do hard things, and we got this, and, you know, we'll figure it out. So tomorrow I have a phone call with a personal trainer / mentor friend of mine, so that'll be fun. I'm really gonna try to work, like, dedicate a few hours tomorrow to work on my camera. I'm kind of excited. It's always scary doing new things, so I'm excited to work on it, and let's just hope I figure it out. I'm trying to hope to get it done before school, because this is like my last week that I have like free when I'm not working, so I'm gonna try to do that. Morning for me and Anastasia. She's hanging here this morning, which is not very common. So I don't really feel like working out, but I'm gonna go work out and then take a walk, and then I'll check back in with you. The whole point of this video is we all have bad days. It's fine, it happens, but just deal with it. Kind of hype yourself up, get a good playlist, and persevere. We got this. Like I'm hurting myself or something. It's kind of funny. 100% did not want to do my workout earlier, but I did it. I'm going on a walk a little bit longer than usual for a couple reasons. I would like to have a chill weekend and not really, sorry if it's windy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, but have to feel like I need to work out. I just like to get all my stuff done. Kind of get anxious throughout the week, so it puts my anxiety down, and I like to just have walking some time to myself. So doing that, and probably make some food when I get home. Morning, it's at 6:56. Chris left like an hour ago. Trying to get up when, hi here. I'm trying to get up when like I actually wake up instead of laying in bed. Also, school's upon us, so I am trying to slowly adjust our sleep schedule. So I'm gonna get ready for the day and probably work out, like I would hope, before 11, so that way I can just slowly integrate into school. So let's get into it. Kind of stressed about it because I don't have a case yet because it hasn't come in. Instead of buying a case at the store, I got one online. I should have, like, look how hefty this is. I'm excited though, but I'll do more of that today and show you guys that. What is up, y'all? Morning. Just got some Balance Athletic in. I'll show you in a minute. Gonna edit a vlog, post that up. FaceTime my mom. I already worked out. Got up early today trying to get back on the school grind because Monday is coming in hot. Yeah, had a margarita last night and that was fun. Not a ton going on. Probably gonna organize a little bit today, chill. Tomorrow I have to drive to Nashville and pick up a sweatshirt because, yeah, I keep forgetting about it. So really don't want to do that. Last night I read a little bit, but basically just gonna talk to him for a bit, hang out, possibly clean. Stuff came in. I got this like seafoamish bra And then these. So as you see, these are the same pants in a smaller size. And then same with the bra. I wore that jacket to go grab my Balance because I was like, you know what? Balance, and I don't want it to get dressed, just to get undressed because I'm gonna put it on. So a new line launching. You don't follow Holly Gabrielle, you should. I follow her on Instagram, and that's kind of, ooh, hello, Pixie Glow. That's kind of where I get most of my stuff, like info on Balance stuff. So I really like it. This next line, the reason I basically got this was because I needed more items. I just really like their stuff. I like their bras. They're great for work. I never feel like I have a bra on, so I was obsessed with that. And this one's like a crop top, obviously. The next one I'm probably gonna get a full length top, but I'm trying to get some staple pieces in my drawer that I feel like really good in and comfortable and isn't restrictive, where a lot of my sports bras are way too tight or they're way too loose. So I'm just slowly starting to get rid of things that are like that. I have one drawer for workout things and one for like lounge. So that's the drawer this is gonna go in. So yeah, quite literally, does any of us really know what the heck we're doing? Or are we all just kind of winging it and hope it looks good like an eyeliner wing, or is it gonna fail and look like a raccoon eye? Who knows? So Chris left his jacket and it's Anastasia's now. He literally gave it to her. So anytime I sit over there and move her jacket, she gets very upset. And that's on that life on having a cat, so. Got back from driving to Nashville because one of my fave people, I finally picked up one of her merch, so I love it. Then I go get my mail, and then this is my last day before started my next 3-day stint, and then school starts, so I would like a case, so I stop like freaking out when I drop my new phone. So I just grabbed the mail so Chris doesn't see how much stuff I bought. Like, this already came today. I have like 3 more boxes, so. My cute foam roller. It has like a roller inside of it and then it's like extra. So cute. Love it. But I also got some new resistance bands. They're super cute. They're from a shop on Etsy called Peach Popper. Love it. So adorable. Can't wait to try it out. Start doing adult things and clean our kitchen. Because again, I start work and I work this weekend. What time do we work? So we have closing shifts all 4 to 10:30s, but then Monday I have class, so I'd like to have everything done. Because I'm gonna try to get a head start on some of this, like Sunday morning. I think I'm gonna start working on some of the stuff for my psychology class. Class doesn't start till Monday, but